How to change the rear light bulb on a Mini. So it's the one on the bottom here. This is the indicator, and the top one's the brake. So inside, you can see the back of the bulbs, this panel here. There's a little tab at the top here, you just push down. So there's the tab right there, let's point to it. So stick your hand in, push the tab downwards. And that releases it. Just in case of getting it out. Very fiddly. Go over the top like I have. Brings it out. Get the lower bulb. Push in. Counterclockwise. Get your new bulb. Put in clockwise. And it's in. Put the panel back in. From the top, just like you're taking it out. Very gently, not to damage the bulbs. Just a quick check that everything works, which it is, and you're done.